he's on your shoulder. That's so cute.
I know. Oh. Butthole.
Big man. What are you doing, big man?
No biting. She's just all rambunctious, huh?
She's just happy that she's the first one up to your face.
No bite. No bite. No bite.
Look at her, you're standing up. It's so cute. Still available, that little girl with her ears up.
No bite. No bite.
Hey. Hey, who are you? Who are you, puppy? Who are you, little white puppy?
She's a sucker.
Oh, there comes Duchess Penelope. Says, I gotta get up there too.
Hi. Who are you?
Oh, you're a little girl, aren't you? You're a little girl. Ow. No.
Good Lord. Ow. No bites. Oh, yeah. She's growling at me. What? Okay, honey. Help me now. She doesn't even care. She's stocky, huh?
She is.
She's super stocky.
Go over there. Go on.
Hi. Who are you? Who are you?
Here comes Lulu. Look at.
She's slobbering. Gypsy wants out. It's really wet. You're a girl. My poor laces.
Looks like Luna missed you too. She's like, hi. You find me home from work.
Oh, it's the noise.
Gosh, she's a little climber. She's
She is.
She likes it right behind your neck.
Look at her. Hi. What's going on over there? What's going on? What's going on, huh? Yeah, I know. I see you too. What's going on? Hi. She's the only one that doesn't want to come over. Just to hang out with Mom. Ow! Ow! You have a big bite. No bite. Is this the big one? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Chico.
It's
Chico.
Chico.
No bite. Hi, Gypsy. You coming to see me too? Good girl. I know. Protecting me? It's a pretty girl. You're so big. You're such a big girl. They're crazy. Someone bit her. Did someone bite you?
She growled.
Yeah. She didn't like that.
She's gonna start teaching them soon
Yeah, she
manners.
will. Good girl, Gypsy. Yeah. I should do that too.
Humongous has or Chico has your shoes.
No. What does she see out there? Alright. Hey. Help me.
You're on video. It's so cute. The puppy breath, isn't it nice? Oh, he's got your shoelace taken off with it.
Who's back here? Who's this? What's back here? Oh, my shirt. see you. Does that scare you?
Little Duchess, she was wagging her tail and kissing you. So
Pretty
cute.
girl.